Hello, I am SME Moraved. This is project mail of CS50’s web programming with Python and JavaScript. In this video, I will explain my code. Okay, I have defined three users: Harry at example.com, Tom at example.com, and Brad at example.com. I will log in with Harry user. Okay, first send mail. Here I click on compose. It is from Harry to, for example, Brad, and also to uh, Tom at example.com. Okay, it is subject is, for example, meeting time, and for example body is how about tomorrow. Okay, now I click on submit. I am shown that this image was sent successfully, and I am redirected to the send page. And for example, uh, when I don't provide any email, or I type an invalid email, I should be shown a error message. And here, as you see, this is the error message, and I am redirected to the compose page again. Okay, in the for mailbox, for example, here it is inbox, it is sent, and it is archived emails. For example, now I log on with Tom you account, and as you see, this is the email that was sent from Harry to the Tom, and you can see it on here. Tom doesn't have any archive email for now, and he also hasn't sent any emails, so these views are empty for now. And as you see, the email in this view, you can see that email is from Harry. Its subject is meeting time, and its time is on here. Okay, and when I click on an email, it is shown in a gray background. Okay, on view email, when I click on this message, I am shown the contents of that email. It is from Harry, for example. It is sent to Tom and Brad. Its subject is meeting time. It was sent on this time, and its content is here. Okay, archive and unarchive. Here, this message is an unarchived email. I click on here. It is an archive for now, and I'm redirected to the inbox page as well. When I click on here, archive. When I click on this button, I am this message is now any longer archived, and uh, uh, I am redirected to the inbox view. And for last, for reply button, and I click on here. I click here is a button for replying the message. Yeah, the two is pre-filled with the sender of the original message. Their subject is re plus the original subject, and the body is pre-filled with this time and the sender of the original message, and also the original body of the email. And now, for example, I can add another uh, paragraph. For example, it is okay, and now I click on submit, and it is sent to the parry, and as you see, it is now in the Tom sent messages. Thank you.